Hello everyone, this is Take. This time I got some nori seaweed from a friend from high school. I will use the nori to make Gunkan-maki Sushi. I'd like to also make nigiri-zushi with the rest of the ingredients.
Oh, it's exciting.
There are three main types of sushi: nigiri-zushi, makizushi, and gunkan-maki. Gunkan-maki is made by wrapping sushi rice in seaweed and topping it with seafood items not usually found in nigiri-zushi. It is named after its resemblance to a battleship. Gunkan is a battleship in English. Gunkan-maki was first created in 1941 by Mr. Juji Imada, the first owner of the famous Ginza sushi restaurant Kyubei. When regular customers asked him to make sushi with sea urchin that the guest had brought from Hokkaido. Although unpopular at the time, it has become a regular sushi staple. Pioneers always have to face outside criticism, don't they? Make sushi rice. Add the sushi vinegar and stir gently with a uchiwa fan to allow air between the rice and to prevent the rice from becoming sticky. Sear the nori quickly over the flame as it has a very nice aroma when quickly seared. If you are not careful, it will tear right off like this. This is my mistake. Cut the nori into pieces about 15 cm long and 3 cm high. First, cut the takuan into stripes. The thicker the takuan is, the better the texture will be. Round the shari rice in an oval shape. Roll the nori around the rice. The trick is to roll it so that one side opens up. Roll one more small oval rice in the same way. Arrange the nori so that the open side fits on the same side. Once the base of the gunkan-maki is completed, place neta like fish and another seafood of your choice on top of the sushi base. In the case, we also want to put takuan, pickled radish, on top. Gunkan-maki is very easy to make. Please place all your favorite materials on the sushi base and have fun. Wow! This time I enjoyed the gunkan-maki with Japanese sake. It is a perfect combination. I also made a nigiri with leftover rice and neta. Thank you for watching.
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube